So setting up the system is pretty easy. What you have to do is just put all of these workspace stuff into the workspace, right? So you got the scanners, you got the body scanners and metal detectors. It doesn't matter if it's under the folder or not. You can put them any way you want, as long as it's in the workspace. It'll work. Put the config file into service script service and you're done. To configure the config file, you got a lot of customization of this, right? So each one of these stations, there are different config for each station, right? First, you want to fill out your admin config. So this is, the ranking you need to have the security tool, right? What I'm talking about is this security tool, right? To access the admin stations like these ones. So you have to set this up pretty accordingly. So all you'll do, paste in a group ID. To get rank ID, all you have to do, whoops, no one saw that. All you have to do is go into group, configure, and yeah, just look here. It's right here, man. So if you want your ranking to be head of the marketing and above, just put in 7, and people who have this rank and above will have access to the admin, right? Alright, next up you got allowed items. So this is for the metal detectors, right? These metal detectors, when you go through them, you actually get an option to you don't get an option. You get to see what kind of items they have and whether or not it's gonna raise like a red flag, red alarm. So these are the allowed items. So if you have these items, it won't raise any red flags. To add a new item, what you want to do is just paste in and rename it to whatever you want, right? So it's pretty simple. That's it. Let's see here. Do not change this. That's true. So first section, right, the metal detectors. You can change the icon ID and the label of the little pop-up thing that comes up. So you can actually change that to whatever you want. You can also change the color of it. Right now it's set to white, but you can change it to whatever you want, right? You can also change the proximity distance and the interaction duration. But I probably wouldn't recommend doing this. Why would you want to do that? It makes no sense, right? And then next up, yeah, same old stuff for the body scanner. Detector admin, this is pretty interesting, right? So tool name access, you don't change this at all. This is just the admin tool, you don't change this. Change stuff here. Yep, and you get a search message. So you do encounter randomized searches when using the NPCs, right? So when an NPC is present, you can get a randomized search, and this is the message that pops up basically. So it says you are now being searched. You can change it to whatever you want, honestly. You can change it to whatever you want. You can also change the default AI presence. So when you start the game, do you want AI, like the NPC guy, to be there? You know what I'm saying? So like, it's pretty useful. There's also the percentage, right? The chance of you getting searched. So this is a decimal point. It's like a percentage, right? So 1 is 100%. If you do 0.5, that's 50%. So there's 50% chance that you go through and get randomized searches. If you don't want randomized searching, you just do 0, right? So there's no chance of you ever getting searched. Okay. There's a cooldown. Cooldown between going to the GUI and going back out. So yeah, probably don't change this. Same thing here. Alright, so this is the really interesting bit, right? So for a suitcase, right? For a suitcase, right? Usually in the system we have a little animation where the handle actually pops back down. Okay, so if you do have a suitcase with a handle that can pop down like this, let me show you what I mean. This one. So it goes down like this, right? If you do have one of these suitcases, then yeah, you can do true. If you don't, just do false, and we won't, retract the suitcase. If it's true, make sure you put down the handle name. It has to be unique, right? So make it some unique name that no other part has under the suitcase. So it's object 002, and get the C frame. So all you'll do is retract it manually, and just copy and paste this value. Wait, what? Am I tripping? Oh, Sorry. Let me rephrase. You have to find the distance it takes to go from here to here. So let's do a bit of calculation here, okay? Get the C frame from up here. So you gotta get the Y coordinate, right? Because Y is going up and down. So it's 2.309. And we want to go down here, right? 1.269. So now we do minus 1.269. We get 1.04. So we're going to do minus 1.04. I did 1.064 because I'm pretty sure previously when I did it I had it up a little bit, but yeah, you get the idea. Alright, so that's the retracting part. Okay, that's how you retract the handle. But if you don't have a retracting part or you just don't want to do it, just false. Okay. Next up, yeah, nothing changed here. You probably should not change this actually. Do not change that yet. Yeah. So same things again. You can customize icons. Oh, and baggage admin's just the same thing as before as the detector admin. The default AI presence, yeah. If you want to have it, look, this is what I mean, right? What was this? Yeah, this is what I mean. If you set it to false and you run it, okay, notice how there's no like NPC spawning in. It's false, right? If you set it true. Wow, look at that. Your NPCs coming in, and these guys are really customizable as well. I'll show you how to customize that in a bit. So I'll set to false because why not? The AI baggage wait time. So basically, right, when the baggage goes through the machine, it waits here for a couple of seconds before going back out, right? Because that's to mimic the scanning by the agents, right? So it's set at 2 seconds, but you can set it to even lower. So if it's at 2 seconds, it'll go in here, wait for 2 seconds, and back out, right? If you set it to 10 seconds, it'll be in there for 10 seconds and it'll go out. And the cooldown, just don't change this. This is the cooldown between accessing the GUI here. So when you click on it, there's a 2 second delay, not delay. If you click on it and you exit, there's a 2 second cooldown before you can go back on it again, right? So that's to avoid you spamming it. Okay, let's go into NPCs because this is really interesting, right? I love NPCs. So come into here. We have two type of NPCs here, okay? We got the baggage admin and we got the detector admin. These are both fully customizable. And the way you can customize it, right? You can use accessories. So yeah, you just customize it as you would. Change the shirt ID. To change the shirt ID, you just go and go here. Yeah, shirt. You can make him naked. Wow. Okay. You can change his body color as well if you want. I'll show you. So we'll make him to a black man. Why is his head? Oh my days. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Actually, hold on. I'm pretty sure there's a faster way to do this. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, you gotta make sure you change it in the humanoid because otherwise it won't work. Cool. So there's a black man and there's a white man. Right? So the black man is the detector. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. Go back to detector admin. Set it true. Run. Wow, look, there's a black man in security. Wow, how did the turntables out? So I think that's pretty much it. That is it. There is also, if you know how to work animations, you can easily reconfigure all the animations. You can have your own animations, right? So the way that animations set up, it's in animations, and we convert it to C-frame by using this plugin here. Okay, so we convert it to C-frame, and then you just paste in the script here. Yeah. Okay, sure. Why not? I'll show you how. It's quite complex to be honest, but I'll show you basis of how to do that. Wait, let's see if I have anything else to talk about. I don't think so. Oh crap! Hold on, I gotta set up the suitcase for you. Huh? I almost forgot about that. So, alright, let's take a look at this. So when setting up the suitcase, we need the tray model and we need the near-tick compatible to be directly under the tool. Okay, these two are a must. I'll show you how I set up with a new suitcase. So let's get a suitcase out. What is this? It's not full. Let's see. Cool. Let me test this actually works. Okay, cool. Works. Put it in. Okay, so I need the tray model and I need the MeaTek compatible. The MeaTek compatible, it's just like the brief outline of the whole entire model, right? So this is to assist the actual suitcase going through the conveyor belt, so you know it looks good and it functions properly, right? So you just want to duplicate that, put it into your new suitcase, move it over, and just resize it up. Let's see. It doesn't have to be that exact. It's okay. It doesn't really matter. Should be fine. Yeah. Okay, cool. And the big important thing is put a decal on it. What the? Hold up. Oh, actually, no, never mind. Sorry, I missed the acting. I'll follow. Get the tray model. I don't think this even fits in the tray model. What the hell? Such a massive suitcase. Hold on, wait. I might have to do a little bit of a sneaky thing here. Let me resize this shit down. Yeah, that's way better, bro. Okay, duplicate that. I'll move it over. To help you out, just set the transparency to 0 for now. Yeah, so what you gotta do is like put this onto the tray model. So this is to actually mimic. Okay, the suitcase is still cubic. What the hell? This is fine. This is probably gonna mess up, bro. This is probably gonna mess up the actual handling of it. Really. Okay, 0. Just gotta put it in. Yeah, looks good enough to me. Once you're done, set the transparency to 1. Yep. Let's see if this works now. So you put in the starter pack. It should work. If it doesn't work, that doesn't wrong. Let's see if this works. Oh crap! I forgot. Yeah, sorry. Hold up. So since, actually, why not? I'll show you how to set that up as well. So we're gonna set up the handling part, okay? Cool. So this, okay, that's the actual handle part. Okay. So you go down here. Where the hell is it? Yep. So the part that is part of the handle, it's called the handle. So I'm gonna call this handle. Okay. So what's the C frame right now? 1.855. 1.355. 0.5. Cool. So go down. 5. Yep. Let's go back here. This should work, hopefully. So go here. I think it worked. Did it work? Wait, what? Hold on here. Oh. Yeah. You know what? Actually, I forgot. You have to weld it. Lol. Okay. Wait, let me check this. This is actually true. Okay. Check it. Oh wait, it literally shows you, no? Hold on, hold on, let me show you this. This is so cool. Wait, it literally shows you 0.5. So you don't have to calculate anything, you just use that. Okay. So let's check here. Alright, so you gotta weld everything together actually. I forgot about that. My fault. So you guys have a little plugin. I have this plugin, it's called Weld. So you click on your handle first, and you just click on everything else. And you click weld all. Now I'm a bit skeptic because this is called handle, but I don't know if it's gonna work if this is the case. Alright, so you might have to do a bit of fiddling around. So I go back here. Okay, what? Why did it go like that? It's weird. Very weird. So that's weird, right? Okay, I'm pretty sure I know the problem. So the problem is, this is called handle. You cannot have it being called handle as well. So, because if you look back in the top, this is the suitcase, right? The handle, it's not called handle, it's called object O2. And so you gotta change the name, okay? So you wanna copy and like, duplicate that. Get rid of the welds. You wanna get rid of all the welds. Okay. Get the handle. Rename it to something else. Call it like the retracting part. Okay. And you wanna make the handle transparency 1. Okay, again. Select everything. Weld all. Put this into your starter pack. How long has it been? 15 minutes? Oh crap. Okay, this is such a shitty suitcase. What the fuck is this? Sure, whatever. I can't include the other one into... Okay, so it just doesn't work then, huh? Wait, what? What's the problem here? Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly debug this real quick. Hold on, I think I fucked up. Okay, cool. So, okay, the reason why the retracting handle didn't work is because I'm a fucking idiot. Sorry, language. Yeah, I'm gonna paste this shit in. Cool. Now, it should work. But I don't know. Wait, hold on. Wait, why is it not working? Oh, okay, so it's going up. Okay, you see how the fucking handle's like being a bitch? So turn it from negative to positive. Okay. God damn. I don't really. Nice. Rechecking works. Click on a tray. Okay, here. Wait, what? So now it works? Okay. Nah, that's crazy. I'll check that out. I'll check the bug out later on. But that's really crazy. I'm pretty sure I know what caused it though. Anyways, okay, we're back. Yeah, it's a mid-tech security admin. Let me put AI. Look at the cooldown. 1, 2. Comes out. So that's 2 seconds, right? Remember the cooldown here. 2 seconds. Pretty cool, huh? And pick it up. Ta-da! That's such a shitty looking suitcase. Oh. Oh, dude, I know the problem. Sorry. I made this shit, but like, it's cause, dude, this is the reason why you don't make a retracting part the handle, called the handle. Cause look, if you make it the handle, the shit's gonna disappear. That's why it like bugs out the thing. Look at this, look at this. If I put it on, it's gonna error. Yeah, oh my, I get it now, Sorry, yeah, do not, dude, what, in no circumstances, never ever make a retracting part the handle. So remember what I did? I'm gonna retrace it again, okay? I'm gonna retract it, not retract, I'm gonna do it again. So remember, the handle bit, this white bit was the handle bit, right? It's called handle. Do not have that as handle. Do not have that, okay? Your handle bit should be invisible, and it should never ever be like a visible part. No, as long as it's not the retracting part, okay? Okay, Jesus. Yeah. So sorry. It's kind of hard, but if you don't want the retracting part, just do false, and I'm sure it should override it. I think it does. Wow, who scripted this? Absolute brilliant scripting. Put it in. Nope. Pause. Damn, why is he still black? Oh my god. But yeah, that's it. Is it true? Okay, and I think that's all I have to go through with you. Wow, that was. So I'm seeing right now. I just said 21 minutes of recording, but I'm gonna cut it down. Security. Don't touch anything of this, okay? Do not touch any of these. Okay, cool. That's it. Alright, make sure you... Yeah, just want to say thank you for purchasing and watching this video. For future updates, you'll have to reinsert the model again. So if we do like patches or like major updates to the security system, you're gonna have to reinstall it again. No, not reinstall, just reinsert it. So all you have to do is get the config, get the main module and just swap it out, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, you shouldn't be touching anything of this, like anything here anyway, except for NPCs. The only thing you touch here is NPCs. Okay, that's it. Alright, thank you, and bye-bye.